Hey everyone! Welcome back to another episode of Salad Secrets, where we mix health with a hearty dose of humor. Ready to laugh your way to health? Because today, we're diving into the world of salads. And trust me, it's going to be a fun ride. Today, I'm going to share the best salad diet to follow daily for a healthy life. And no, it's not just about munching on leaves like a rabbit. And trust me, even your taste buds will be doing a happy dance by the end of this. Salads can be delicious, vibrant, and oh so satisfying. Alright, let's kick things off with the base of our salad. This is where the magic begins. Think of it like the foundation of a house, but instead of bricks, we're using leafy greens. They're the bedrock of any great salad. Spinach, kale, romaine, pick your green. Each one brings its own unique flavor and nutritional benefits. Just avoid iceberg lettuce because honestly, it's like the cardboard of greens. It's mostly water and lacks the nutrients we're aiming for. No one's ever said, cardboard. So let's keep it exciting and nutritious. Now let's add some color. This is where your salad starts to come alive. We're going full rainbow mode here, folks. The more colors, the better. Red tomatoes, orange carrots, yellow bell peppers, green cucumbers, and purple cabbage. Each color represents different nutrients and antioxidants. It's like a party in a bowl. And who doesn't love a good party? And don't forget, the more colorful your salad, the more nutrients you're getting. It's a feast for your eyes and your body. Plus, it looks pretty snazzy on Instagram. Next up, protein. This is where your salad gets hearty. This is where you can really mix things up. Protein is essential for keeping you full and satisfied. Grilled chicken, tofu, beans, or even a hard-boiled egg. Your salad, your rules. Experiment and find what you love. Just remember, nobody ever said, wow, I feel sluggish after eating that salad. Quite the opposite, actually. Protein keeps you full and energized. It's the fuel that keeps you going strong throughout the day. Now let's talk about toppings. This is where you can add some crunch and extra flavor. And no, I don't mean a mountain of croutons. While they add crunch, they can also add unnecessary calories. Think nuts, seeds, maybe a sprinkle of cheese if you're feeling fancy. These add healthy fats and a satisfying crunch. Or how about some avocado? It's creamy, delicious, and packed with healthy fats. It's like butter, but it won't clog your arteries. Win-win. Avocado makes everything better. Dressing time. This is the final touch that brings everything together. This is where most salads go from hero to zero. Be mindful of what you're adding. Avoid those creamy dressings that are basically milkshakes in disguise. They can turn a healthy salad into a calorie bomb. Opt for olive oil, balsamic vinegar, or a squeeze of lemon juice. These keep your salad light and fresh. Keep it light, keep it fresh. Your taste buds and your waistline will thank you. And there you have it, folks, the ultimate salad. It's nutritious, delicious, and Instagram worthy. It's like a health potion in a bowl. Every bite is a step towards a healthier you. But here's the kicker, eating salad daily doesn't have to be boring. There are endless combinations to try. Change up the ingredients, play around with textures, and keep things exciting. Variety is the spice of life, after all. Who knew being healthy could be so fun? Salads are a great way to experiment and enjoy your meals. Remember, laughter is the best medicine, but salads are a close second. They nourish your body and lift your spirits. So next time you're feeling down or sluggish, whip up one of these salads and laugh your way to health. It's a mood booster and a health booster. Your body will thank you and your taste buds will too. It's a win-win situation. Alright, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this salad adventure. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Join our community of salad lovers, and remember, stay happy, stay healthy, and keep laughing. Life's too short for boring salads. Catch you in the next one. Bye for now. Keep those greens coming.